Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson, lesson number 3, Amazing Dances in the World. Here, the word amazing means wonderful. Okay, let us read. Dance is the movement of the body in a rhythmic way. Rhythmic means regular, repeat motion or sound, usually to music and within a given space for the purpose of expressing. Expressing means to show an idea or emotion, releasing energy, or simply taking delight. What is the meaning of delight? Delight means great pleasure in the movement itself. Let us read to know some important facts about the dances of the world. Students, look here at the picture number 1. The dancers are performing ballet dance. Which dance? Ballet dance. Ballet dance is a dance used to express different emotion or to tell a story. What is written here about the ballet dance? Ballet originated. What is the meaning of originated? To happen or occur for the first time in the 15th century. Century means a period of 100 years. First in Italy and then in France. Over the centuries, ballet has influenced, means effect, many other styles of dance. It is a style and become a fine art. What is the meaning of fine art? Fine art means great skill from in its own right. Okay, students. Now look at this picture number 2. The dancers are performing flamenco dance. Which dance? Flamenco dance. Flamenco dancers can tap their heels at a rate of up to 16 taps per second. Tap their heels means how? I will show you video. Look here, students, like this. Flamenco dancers can tap their heels like this. Understood now? Okay. Now, let us move to our picture number 3. Here, the dancers are performing ballet dance. Ballet dance. It is originated in Egypt. Okay. Now, in North America, ballet dancers are judged by how well they move their shoulders. Okay? In North America, right? Ballet dancers are judged by what? How well they move their shoulders. Okay? Now look at this picture number 4. The dancers are performing here Kathakali dance. Which dance? Kathakali dance. Kathakali dance is a major form of Indian classical dance. Okay? It is a religious dance of Kerala. Okay, now what will written here? Kathakali dancers take about 4 hours to apply their makeup for the performance. Look here, the dancers are looking very nice due to their makeup. So how much time will it take? 4 hours. They have such control over their facial muscles. Here facial muscles in the sense face expression, that they can laugh with one side and cry with the other side. Here, what is the meaning of this? They can laugh from one side of the face and cry from the other side of the face at the same time. Is it clear? Okay, now look here at this picture number 5. Here the dancers are performing contra dance. Which dance? Contra dance. Contra dance is a form of American folk dance. It is American folk dance in which the dancers form 2 parallel lines. Here the dancers form 2 parallel lines and perform a sequence of dance movement. Here what is the meaning of sequence? Sequence means that happen or come one after another. Okay? Of dance movement with different partners down the length of the line. Okay, let us move to our next chapter. Chapter number 4. Check your grammar. Okay. Here we have tick right the correct option. Here we have one question, okay, and 2 options. Okay, we have to find the correct answer in this. Now, first, dash do you call that in your mother tongue? Option A, how? Option B, what? What is the correct answer? B, what? What do you call that in your mother tongue? Number 2, I dash here for 5 years. Option A, am teaching. Option B, have been teaching. What is the correct answer here? Have been teaching. Students, for 5 years means indicates that the activity has been going on or for 5 years and is still continuing. So the correct form of verb teach is have been teaching. Okay, so the correct answer is I have been teaching here for 5 years. Okay, number 3, he speaks neither English dash Hindi. Option A or option B nor. Here neither is there, so we use nor. He speaks neither English nor Hindi. Option B is correct. If either is there, then we will use or. Okay. Now, fourth, she objects dash treated like a child. Option A, to be. Option B, to being. The correct answer is option B, to being. She object to being treated like a child. Okay, now fifth one. The girl dash father is a famous scientist has won the prize. Option A, whose. Option B, whose, or apostrophe s. Here the correct answer is option A. The girl whose father is a famous scientist has won the prize. Okay, now sixth one. Can you give me dash details please? Option A, further. Option B, farther. What is the correct answer here? Further. Can you give me further details please? Now seventh one. He typed dash. Option A, the report carefully. Option B, carefully the report. What is the correct answer here? The report carefully. He typed the report carefully. In seventh, we have to rearrange the sentence. Okay, now eighth one. As dash, he forgot to bring his notebook to school. Option A, usual. Option B, usually. The correct answer is usual. As usual. When we are talking now, we said as usual. So as usual, he forgot to bring his notebook to school. What is the correct answer? Option A. Now ninth, he was charged dash murder. Option A, with. Option B, for. What is the correct answer? Option A, with. He was charged with murder. Now 10th one. A man's concept of liberty is different from dash. Option A, woman. Option B, a woman's. Here the correct answer is option B, a woman's. A man's concept of liberty is different from a woman's. Now 11th, does she dash his mother or father? Here option A, resemble to. Option B, resemble. Option B is the correct answer. Does she resemble his mother or father? Now 12th, the students have no difficulty dash the exercise. Option A, in doing. Option B, to do. What is the correct answer? In doing. The students have no difficulty in doing the exercise. Option A is correct answer. Now 13th, the teacher explained dash. Option A, the lesson to the student. Option B, the student the lesson. What is the correct answer is? Here option A, the teacher explained the lesson to the student. Okay, now 14th, the storm prevented dash on a picnic. Option A, us to go. Option B, us from going. Here the correct answer is option B, us from going. The storm prevented us from going on a picnic. Now 15th, dash is a great virtue. Option A, the wisdom. Option B, wisdom. Here the correct answer is B. Option B, wisdom is a great virtue. Okay students, fill this exercise in your GK book and thank you for watching video.